Welcome to German for Beginners. This is day 1 of our 90-day challenge. We are starting a comprehensive 90-day journey to teach you German step by step, starting right now with Chapter 1. In this first basic video, Chapter 1, we cover the essentials to get you started speaking German immediately. German opens doors to rich culture, travel, and career opportunities. Today we'll focus on pronunciation and basic greetings. Let's start with the German alphabet and basic sounds. Many letters are similar to English, but some have distinct pronunciations. Pay close attention to key differences. The German R is often guttural. The V usually sounds like an F, and don't forget the umlauts, E, U, and U. A trickier sound is CH. It sounds soft like in ich, or hard like in acht, 8. Practice these carefully. Now that we know the basics of pronunciation, let's learn how to greet people formally and informally. The most common informal greeting is hello, hello, and for saying bye informally, you say tschüss.
For formal situations, use Guten Tag, good day. To say goodbye formally, use Auf Wiedersehen. Other time-specific greetings include Guten Morgen, good morning, Guten Abend, good evening, and Gute Nacht, good night.
Next, let's learn how to introduce yourself and ask others about their names and origins.
To ask someone their name formally, you say, Wie heißen Sie? The response is, Ich heiße. My name is. To ask where someone is from, use, Woher kommen Sie? The formal answer is, Ich komme aus. I come from.
Learning a few basic courtesy phrases will help you navigate social interactions smoothly. Say Danke to express thanks, and bitte can mean both please or you're welcome. If you need to apologize or get someone's attention, use Entschuldigung, which means excuse me or sorry. That wraps up day 1. Your homework is to practice the pronunciation and all the new phrases we learned today.
Remember, Hallo, Tschüss, Guten Tag, Auf Wiedersehen, wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße, woher kommen Sie? Ich komme aus, Danke, bitte, and Entschuldigung.
Tomorrow on day 2, we will cover German numbers and start constructing simple questions. See you then. Auf Wiedersehen.